Welcome to this market overview of the United States pipe for building construction market. Behind every modern building is a network of pipes that keep it running. In 2024, the United States pipe for building construction market is valued at USD 18.6 billion. The market is expected to reach USD 27.9 billion by 2030, growing at a 7.0% CAGR. Building construction pipes are critical for plumbing, drainage, HVAC, and fire protection systems. North America leads, driven by residential housing demand, large-scale commercial construction, and continued infrastructure upgrades across the U.S. Europe focuses on retrofitting aging buildings, while Asia-Pacific is the fastest-growing region, supported by rapid urbanization and mega-projects. Growth is fueled by government infrastructure spending, smart buildings, rising use of plastic pipes, and stricter building codes. Key challenges include raw material price volatility, supply chain disruptions, and labor shortages. Bottom line, building construction pipes are foundational to global urban development. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.